Hi guys, if you want to put a circle around a letter in Google Docs like this, then let's see how to do it. So here is the first method. Let's say for the example, here you want to put a circle around the letter C. So to circle the letter C, simply select it and then go to the insert section and then click on special characters. And now here in the search box, simply type the letter which you want to circle. Here I want to circle the letter C. So here I will simply type the letter C. And now in the search results, you will be able to see the letter with circle. Here you can see the C letter is available with the circle. You can see here is the capital letter. Here is the small letter. You can select any one according to your requirement. You have to simply click on it and the letter will be circled. And in case if you type your letter here and in the search result here, if you don't get the letter with the circle, then you can simply draw it from here. Let's say I want the letter C with circle. So for that, I will simply draw the letter C and circle around it. And now from the search result, you can see there are a lot of options which you can insert. You can see there are different kind of letter C with circle. In case if you want to circle any different letter, you can do that from here as well. For the example, let's say I want the K letter with circle. So I will simply draw the K with circle. And now here you can see the search result is displaying the letter K with circle. So this way you can easily circle a letter in Google Docs. You can see. In case if you want to change the font size of circled letter, for that simply select the letter and change the font size from here. You can see. If you want to change the font color of circled letter, for that simply go to the text color option here and select any color you want. Let's say I want the red color. So I'll simply select the red and here is the circle letter in red color. You can see. And in case if you want to circle a letter in Google Docs with color background and different border color, then let's see how to do it. For the example, let's say you want to circle the letter G with color background. Then for that, simply remove the letter G and then go to the insert section and then click on drawing and then click on new option. Now on the drawing tool, simply click on the shape option and then go to shapes and here select the circle. Now on the drawing panel, draw the circle. And now to make the circle border thicker, simply click on this border weight option and select the border size from here. You can see. If you want to change the border color, then for that, simply click on this border color option and select the border color you want. Let's say I want the blue color. So I'll simply select the blue and here is the blue border. And now to change the circle background, simply click on this fill color option. And from here, select any color you want. Let's say I want to make it green. So I will select the green color. Now you have to put the text inside the circle. So for that, simply click on this text box option and then click here and then type the letter which you want to circle. I want to circle the G. So I will type the letter G. And to change the letter size, simply select the letter and then click on this three dot icon and from here select the font size. Let's say I want to make it this big. Here it is. If you want to make the letter bold, you can bold it from here. And to change the letter color, simply click on this text color option and from here you can select any color you want. You can see. I want to keep the letter in black color, so I will select the black. Now reduce the box size and then simply drag your text box and keep it in the middle. Here it is. If you want to adjust the alignment, simply click on this align option and here select the center and make it in the middle. Now here you can see you have a circle letter with color background. Now to insert it, simply click on this save and close option here and the circle letter with color background will be inserted into your Google Docs page. To move it freely and place it anywhere you want in your Google Docs page, simply click on it and then select this option in front of text. And now simply drag it from the corner and adjust the size. You can see. If you want to increase or decrease the size, simply click on it and drag it from the corner and the circle text size will be changed. You can see. If you want to make it smaller, again, simply drag it from the corner and make it a small. And to adjust the position, simply click on it and drag it and place it anywhere you want. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily put a circle around a letter in Google Docs. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.